What if nature could remix color itself, creating a parrot that looks like liquid ruby and gold? The Rubino Rosella is a rare color mutation of the vibrant Eastern Rosella, a medium-sized parrot native to southeastern Australia and Tasmania. In the wild, Eastern Rosellas display bright red heads, white cheeks, yellow belly, and multicolored wings, but Rubino mutations replace typical greens and blues with deep ruby and warm gold tones. This isn't a different species, just a rare genetic variation that makes these birds almost glow compared with their wild cousins. If this amazed you, hit like, comment with your favorite color, and share to astonish bird lovers everywhere.